If your factory headlights are showing their age and bringing down your truck's street appeal, these Rexteam Axle Series headlights with the LED light bar, black housing, and clear lens will be a great addition to your 2007 through 2013 Toyota Tundra without the level adjuster. Now, along with bringing some life back to the front end, these headlights will also bring a touch of a modern feel with the LED light bar design and will be an affordable way to do it. Now, I do want to mention that this will mostly be a housing swap, considering you will need to reuse your factory bulbs. However, if you're not in search of a drastic performance upgrade, you just want a cleaner look and a sharper appearance for the front end of your Tundra, these will do just that. Factory lighting, especially on older generation Tundras, tends to get fogged and scratched fairly easily, and sometimes oxidation is hard to recover from. Now, it can take away from your lighting performance as well, making it difficult to see the road and harder for other drivers to see you. Now, this couldn't be more of the opposite with a sleek black housing and multifaceted chrome reflector for a tame yet stealthy appearance compared to factory, while also allowing the halogen light to shine brightly through the clear lens for much better lighting performance if you are currently lacking. The LED light bar, though, is the star of the show here, taking the styling up a notch if you want more than a standard housing replacement, and it will benefit your build in being noticed much easier on road to keep you safer. And in addition to the LED light bar, you also get a different style with the turn signal, which just ups the styling that much more. The build of this headlight will be resilient with a polycarbonate lens on the front of each light and will last against road debris, trail debris, and any lighter impacts, in addition to resisting weathering over time better than factory. The housing will be black ABS, giving that sleek look on the inside and sticking to standards on the back for a direct fit. The amber corner light reflectors and the general setup besides the turn signal will again be roughly the same as factory, and all you have to do is swap over your factory bulbs into this set, which will make the install much easier, considering that there's not going to be any additional wiring that needs to be done. These will cost you around $300, and compared to the rest on the page, I think that you're getting what you pay for here. Now, the price point will reflect this being more of a housing upgrade rather than a full upgrade and having more of a tame factory-inspired design. However, I think if you want a solid option for clean-looking light and don't need a high-performance option, you just want to refine the look and the style of your Tundra and get your bulbs working properly with that clear lens on the front, this is going to be a great choice. Again, this will be plug and play and sit at about a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, only taking about an hour or so to get the job done. Speaking of the install though, one of our customers here has put this on their Tundra and is going to walk you through what the process looks like step by step, completely broken down. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Okay, very simple tool set today. Drill with a 10mm on it to get the bolts that hold the headlights to the body itself. And then we have this little pry tool right here. That is for getting the filler panels underneath the headlights off. There's 2 clips that hold those on. Today we have a Toyota Tundra 2008 year. We're going to be changing out these headlights. First things first, pop the hood open. After that, it's pretty straightforward. There's 2 clips right here, push clips. Take your standard pry tool, get in there, get those push clips off. Put off to the side, don't lose those. If they're broken, replace them. After you get those clips out, on the back side here, there's a couple other that you have to carefully pull like that and set this off to the side. Okay, so next there are 3 screws that hold this headlight to the body assembly. 10mm, one right here, here, and here. Take your 10mm, I prefer drill, zip them off. Now that you got those 3 screws out, all you have to do is pull the headlight assembly out. These top tabs up here, you just have to give them a little bit of a pry, nothing special, and it just pops right off. After that, all you gotta do is pull the assembly forward a little bit and start taking out the bulbs. On the rear here, from the factory, they block up these holes so you don't get as much moisture or anything like that in there. So just remove these before you install your bulb sockets back in place. Now that we have our new headlight housing assembly, all you have to do is go back and plug your light bulbs back into the new headlight assembly. Now you just got to slide the new headlight assembly into place of the old one. Be careful, don't shove everything in place. It may take a little finesse. There we go. Factory clips just go right over those bolt holes right there. And then you just go and reinstall your screws back into place. I always recommend doing them by finger first. Go ahead and tighten them down. Nothing too crazy. This is just plastic after all. Okay, so now just got to reattach this filler piece right here. And again, if these clips are broken at all, when you take them off, replace them. I had to go ahead and replace these as well. All done.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install in the Raxium Axial Series headlights with the LED light bar, black housing, and clear lens, fitting all 2007 through 2013 Toyota Tundras without the level adjuster, and you can find these right here at extremeterrain.com.